Hello my friends, let's get to the next part, which is landscape. Well, in this part you can simulate topography, which is landscape here. Okay, the first part is height. When you click on it, height, yes. By this feature you're able to create, raise and lower part of a topography. And in this part, water, you can set an area for lake, river, and even a pool. And the next part is ocean, that you can activate it or not. It's up to you. And about this part, paint, this allows you to change or edit the material of each section according to the intensity of post and the length. Or you can use the different material in a flattened way. And about this part, OpenStreetMap, you can import your file or a map to it by this feature. And here the last part is landscape grass, that you can activate it or not. It's up to you again. Alright, let's get to the first part, which is height. We have many options here. The first feature is raise, that when you click on it you can make a height, for example here. So as I told you, you can set a raise here, for example. And the next one is lower, yes, lower for your landscape, and flatten to make it flat. Or the next one is jitter, yes. And the next one is jitter, which it seems like there is the sharp rocks there. And the last one is smoothen, which it is a roughness as well as jitter, but it is a soft one. Okay, we have brush size and brush speed. Brush size is the yellow circle that you can see. You can decrease its size just like that. You can click on it double times to enter a number. And the brush speed is the speed of influence. For example, if I select raise here and I want to make a height, click here, as you can see it goes up very fast, but if I decrease its speed, now it goes slowly. So brush speed means the speed of influence on our topography or on our landscape. Okay, for rise it goes up as I showed you. You can use it just like that, see, or use the Q button to see it from the top. Very nice. And in order to influence more area, you should increase the brush size. This feature causes recesses to be created, and depending on the slope, the software gives it different materials. This second material is dedicated for the rock or a cliff, for example. And as I told you before, these materials have been set by default in Lumion. But it's different in Unreal, since you have to set, many layers for your material. And when you make a slope, these materials are prepared by default. And as you are using Lumion or Twinmotion, working with Unreal would be easier for you. Since the prepared material that you have here, you have to make it by your own in Unreal. Alright, the next part is flatten. You can make all of them flat. Okay, just like that. Yes, you can flatten. Very nice. That's it. And the next part is jitter, that you're able to make a sharp rock or cliff according to your environment, according to the environment that you like to create. Alright, but okay, very nice. About smoothen here, it can make them all smooth. Okay, that's too far. Let me undo it and decrease the speed brush. Very nice. All right, here we go. Let me zoom in to show it to you better. From the sharp rock, it has turned into the soft, the smooth environment. And you know, by the combination of all of these, you can reach to your project by the combination of all of these features here. Okay, see you next time.